Welcome back to another video. So it's going to be a really quick one today, guys. So I've got some of Born Pretty's new, they've brought out a new gel polish range, haven't they? So they come boxed now as well. I like that. So this is it called the Milky White series? I think it's called. New packaging, new bottles. So I've just got 5 colours. So let's get them open. Don't forget, guys, you can get 20% off Born Pretty using my code. It's always on the screen, and website is in my description box. So it's even got how to apply on the bottle. What's that? Let's get all these open. So let's have a look at these new bottles. So they've got, these are 10ml. Right, so these are bigger bottles then. Because their old white bottles used to be 7ml. Right, so these are bigger bottles. So these are the same size bottles as the black ones there now. Brilliant. Right, so yeah, we've got the little coloured window, 10ml. Ingredients on the back, if anyone wants to screenshot that and have a look. So, let me get them all open, and just going to give them a quick swatch today. I don't know if it's a new formula. I don't know much, do I? I really like these new bottles. I like the handles on them. They're like a champagne gold. So the numbers on these start with CGO. So we've got 25, 70, 78, 55, 38 and number 6. So I'm just going to not do them in any particular order. I like that these are 10ml though. I do like that. So yeah, we're just going to give them a quick swatch today. Oh, look at this. See, I've just got colours that I haven't got from Born Pretty. I haven't got a regular green. This is just all colours that I haven't got that I needed. So let's bring you in a bit. So yeah, over Christmas I noticed I haven't got a proper green. So that's what this is. So let's have a look. Oh, this feels nice. So it's just a nice pine green, Christmas green. Yeah, I like that. Proper green, isn't it? That I needed. I like it. That's gone on really nice as well. I'm not surprised though. All Born Pretty gels I enjoy using. They're always nice quality. So this one, number 78. Ooh, looks like a nude, of course. Ooh, I like the look of that. I'm loving these bigger bottles. I'm not a fan of 5 and 7ml bottles. Oh, this is a nice nude. This will get used a lot. So smooth and creamy. Yes, I like that a lot. This is one of them nudes that you need. It's like a staple to me, these kind of nudes. I need these just as much as my blacks and my whites. So what we got next, this is a grey. Again, another colour that you need in your collection. This looks like a nice light grey. Not too light. Because a lot of greys end up looking like a white on camera. They're that light. No, this is a nice grey. Light, but not too light. I like that. These are so nice to use. That does look white on camera, doesn't it? That's a nice shade. I like that a lot. I love light greys with pinks. I do. I love a light grey and a baby pink together. See, this is like a royal blue. Again, a colour that I don't have. I'm not a blue fan. But as far as blues goes, look how that just applies. This is a beautiful blue. I really like that. Look how that applies. Wow. That's a beautiful colour blue, actually. I love that. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. What number was that? Number 38. Right, and lastly, we have got number 6. Ooh, this looks like a nude as well. Oh, no, it's a baby pink. Obviously, there had to be a pink. I can't order gels without getting a pink. Right, so this is not actually the colour I was hoping it would be. See, it's hard to tell. This is why I like swatch videos. It's hard to tell on the website, looking at the pictures, exactly what the colour is. This is not the colour I was hoping. Not hoping for, but it's not the colour that I thought it would be. So I'll have to try again with that colour. But it's still a very pretty colour. Nice nude pink. I like it. Cute. Right, I'll give these a quick top coat. And then we'll have a look at them all. Right, guys, so that is them all swatched. So we've got the green, which is just a perfect green in my eyes that everybody needs. Beautiful nude. I like that. I like the grey. I love that blue. That's a beautiful blue. Proper blue, isn't it? And then that's the kind of baby / nude pink. I like that. Nice colours for this time of year as well, I think. Toned down, warm kind of colours. No, I really, really like them. I'm loving these new bottles. 10ml. Lots of colours to choose from as well. I'll leave the link below. But yeah, as always from Born Pretty, really nice gels. I'm really happy with them. Anyway, guys, yeah, that's it for today. Just a quickie. Yeah, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully, I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.